Hello students, welcome to our DT practical session. Now today we'll perform practical number 7, that is construct and test BCD to 7 segment decoder using IC 7447 and 7448. The use of this practical is that we are giving input as a BCD code and we are displaying that code in 7 segment decoder IC with the help of a 7 segment decoder IC. So whatever number we are giving, that is 4-bit binary, we are able to watch the display of that BCD number on 7 segment display. So for that we require BCD to 7 segment decoder IC 7447, which is available in our lab. Now we'll just see the IC diagram of IC 7447. That is pin number 1 is A0, pin number 2 A1, then pin number 6 is A2 and pin number 7 is A3, which is nothing but 4-bit BCD inputs. Then pin number 3 is LT bar, that is lamp test, which is active low signal. Then pin number 4 is B1/RBO bar, which is nothing but ripple blanking output. Then RBI active low signal, RBI bar, which is active low signal, which is ripple blanking input. And pin number 8 is ground. Then pin number 9 is E bar, 10 is D bar, 11 is C bar, B bar is pin number 12, 13 is A bar and 14 is G bar, 15 is I bar. So these are nothing but the segments of LED, that is A to I, which means it is a segments of LED on which you can see the display of number. And pin number 16 is VCC. So again we'll require plus 5 volt VCC, and for the functionality, test the functionality of IC, pin number 16 and pin number 8 is a supply connection which is essential for working of IC. Now this is the connection diagram, that is IC 7447 is connected to 7 segment display. Here you can see that A, B, C, D are 4 inputs, which is A input is LSB and D input is MSB. The corresponding pin numbers you can see inside the box, that is A is connected to 7 and D is connected to 6. That means we have to apply the input to pin number 7, 1, 2 and 6. And the remaining pins, that means pin number 9 to pin number 15 is connected to 7 segments of display, that is pin number 13 is connected to 7, 12 is connected to 6, 11 is connected to 4, 10 is connected to 2, 9 is connected to 1, 15 is connected to 9 and 14 is connected to 10. So whatever data is we are placing on ABCD, that data is converted into digits, and that digits of respective 7 segment display will glow and you can see the number on a display. So these are the connection, and this connection similarly we have made on breadboard. So you can see the 7447 IC, 7447 IC, that is recorder IC, and this is the display. You can see the display and segments of a display. Here the connections are very simple. These are the 4 inputs we have given. As you have seen, the A3 is your MSB and A1 is LSB. So this section you can see A0 to A3, which is which has given as for this input the press buttons are provided to on and off, providing on and off position to that inputs. Again these A0 to A3 is connected to segments of LED, that means A0 is connected to X0, A1 is connected to X1, A2 is connected to X2 and A3 is connected to X3. Means we are giving inputs of BCD to segments of 7 segment LED, 7 segment display. So you can observe whenever you are placing any 4-bit data, that is going to display on your 7 segment display. So initially we have not given any input. All the buttons are in off position, all LEDs in off position. So on 7 segment display you can observe 0 is displayed on display. Then now we will give input as a 0 0 1, that means 1 is given and 1 is displayed on 7 segment display. Then we are giving 0 1 0 means binary 2, so 2 is displayed on a board. Then 3 input is given, so you can see the 3 is displayed on 7 segment display. Then 4 is given, 0 1 0 0, so 4 number is displayed on display. Then 0 we are pressing buttons by giving 0 1 0 1, so number 5 is displayed on display. Then 6 0 1 1 0, 6 is you can able to see 6 on display. Then 0 1 1 means 7 number is given and you can see the display of number 7. Then 8 you can see the all segments of LED is glown and 8 number is displayed on the display. Then 9 you can see number 9 is placed on number 9 is displayed on board. As you can see the BCD number is from 0 to 9, so you can able to convert that BCD number into, or you can watch the display of that number on LCD display. So this is our practical, which is very simple. You can also refer this video and you can able to complete a truth table. Thank you.